Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. In case you're new here, feel much welcomed. On today's video guys, I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to easily draw your eyebrows like a pro. I know I did an eyebrow tutorial some few months ago, but the video quality was so bad. But as you can see, we're slowly leveling up, we're slowly catching up with this editing stuff, YouTube. Yeah, so if this seems as something that you're interested in, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below. I'll be replying to your comments kama kawa, and also don't forget to hit the post notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. With no further ado, let's get straight into the video. So starting up, I'm starting by applying some powder on my eyebrow with a small brush. This will help soak up any oil that is on your eyebrow. Hence, this will help your eyebrow pencil glide in smoothly. Next, I'm taking a spoolie. This is a spoolie. If you don't have a spoolie, you can use a clean toothbrush or a clean mascara brush. And I'm just brushing my eyebrows to keep them in place before I begin to line. So the first step is to get the shape of your eyebrows right. Once you get this right, it's going to be extremely easy to line your eyebrows. So the first thing I do, I place my eyebrow pencil at the middle part of my nose bridge and make a mark that shows where my eyebrow is going to begin. Then I place my eyebrow pencil at the middle part of my nose and make a mark. That is where my arch will begin. Then next, I place my eyebrow pencil at the end part of my nose and make a mark. That is where the end of my line, my eyebrow line, will end. So let's do this again. Place your eyebrow pencil at the middle part of your nose bridge and make a mark. That is where your eyebrow line should begin. Then again, place your eyebrow pencil at the middle part of your nose and make a mark. That is where the arch of your eyebrow should begin. Then the last part, place your eyebrow pencil at the end part of your nose and make a mark, and that is where the line of your eyebrow should end. Do not go beyond that point. To line my eyebrows, I'm using Davis pencil number 3. This is Davis pencil number 3, and I'm just starting by lining my lower eyebrow. When you're lining your lower eyebrow, just follow the shape of your eyebrow and also following the marks that we just did. And right there, we have the first line of our eyebrow. Before lining your upper eyebrow, start by brushing them, moving downwards with your spoolie just to angle them out before lining. Then now guys, when it comes to lining your upper eyebrow, I like to start with my arch. It's much easier starting with the arch. Just follow your arch and connect it. Just bring it down to the first line on the bottom, and voila, you have your arch. Next, just come front of the top and connect the two lines, and there you have your first shape of your brow. Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to repeat the same thing I did on my first eyebrow pretty fast. To line my lower eyebrow, I'm just following the shape of my eyebrows and also following the marks that we just did. And so right there is where our arch is supposed to begin. I'm just going to curve that line and also end it at that mark that we said our eyebrow should end right there. There we have our first line. Then next, I'm just taking my spoolie, I'm brushing my hairs downwards. This is just to angle them down before we begin lining. And then now it comes to lining the front part of my eyebrow. I like to begin with the arch. Begin with the arch, it's much easier. Just curve that line following your arch and connect it with the lower line of your eyebrow. Then afterwards, leaving a tiny space to avoid the broad shape of your eyebrow, just connect those two lines and there you have the shape of your eyebrow. The next step now, guys, is filling your eyebrows. Some prefer to use a more darker shade of their pencil, but I prefer using this pencil because it's not too dark on me, and then I prefer a natural looking brow. So when now filling your eyebrows, begin from your outer corner moving to your inner corner, and then fill in lightly using light strokes just to make sure you get that natural looking eyebrow. And then now, guys, when it comes to filling the front part of your eyebrow, fill in using hair-like structures going upwards. The next step now, guys, clean your eyebrows. And to clean my eyebrows, I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze and a small angled brush. So I'm going to put my concealer on my arm just to warm it up before I start cleaning. And to clean my eyebrows, I like to start cleaning from my lower eyebrow, and in that case, I'm starting from my arch. I feel like cleaning from my arch makes cleaning easy. So when you're cleaning, just take your time following the line of your eyebrow. Next, now just clean the front part of your eyebrow and connect it to the next one. I'm now taking a small brush and I'm just going to blend the concealer to blend well with my skin. The next step now, guys, I'm going to clean my upper eyebrow, and to clean my upper eyebrow, I'm using the same concealer and a small angled brush. In this step, you can also use your foundation, a foundation that matches your skin tone, but I prefer using a concealer because I feel using a concealer takes my eyebrow look to the next level. And now when I'm cleaning the upper part of my eyebrow, I like to start from my arch. I feel starting from your arch will make cleaning of your eyebrow easy. So just start cleaning from your arch and then thereafter connect the front part of your eyebrow, and yeah. Now take a small brush and blend your concealer to blend with your skin tone. Final touches now, guys. Just take your pencil and just fill your eyebrows in areas that you feel the concealer might have erased. Just fill those gaps. Now, my beautiful people, just take a look and see the difference that cleaning your eyebrows makes. This is the cleaned eyebrow, and the next one is the one that we haven't cleaned. Invest in a good concealer, guys, and always make sure that you clean your eyebrows, because cleaning your eyebrows will surely take your eyebrow look to the next level. It sharpens up your eyebrows and it makes them look beautiful. The next step and the last one now, guys, just take a powder and a small brush and set the concealer to avoid it from creasing, and also to make sure that it doesn't look shiny on your face the whole day. So always, after making your eyebrows, always make sure you set your concealer. So my beautiful people, that is it from me today. I really hope this video was helpful. I really hope it was. Please let me know on the comment section. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already, and also hit the post notification bell so every time I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.